Hi, welcome to the second part of your final lab for your Foundations in Computing Credit 2 class. I'm going to show you how to uninstall software. So I showed you guys how to install Avast free antivirus, and I showed you how to keep it from messing up your browser. Now, let's say that you'd installed it incorrectly, or you'd installed it and realized that you didn't want it on your computer because it's acting up, it's not the program you thought it was, or somebody gives you a better antivirus program, what have you. You'd go here to Settings. So again, that's Charms bar, Settings, and then you go to Control Panel. Your Control Panel lets you do all kinds of things, including uninstall programs. So I'm going to go down here to Programs and click on Uninstall a Program. And what it's going to do is give me a list of all the programs that are installed on the computer. And I highly recommend going through here periodically and installing anything that you're not using and don't really recognize. However, you have to be kind of careful when uninstalling stuff from your computer because you don't want to uninstall system files that are going to mess things up. But if for some reason some annoying program starts popping up on your computer and doing stuff, this is the first place to check. And maybe you can just uninstall it and be done with it. However, if it's a virus or malware or something, they're sometimes kind of tricky and they don't show up on this programs list. But Avast is a legitimate program, so it shows up here. So I'm just going to click on it. And now I've got the options of uninstall or change. Change would be like remove parts of it or update it or do something like that. We're just going to uninstall it here. So again, I clicked on it. I clicked uninstall at the top of the page. Now there, uninstaller opens up. You're about to uninstall your antivirus protection. Bear in mind, this is a bad idea. Well, that's okay. I know it's a bad idea. So I'm going to click on continue. Uninstall. An attempt has been made to uninstall Avast. This may be a legitimate action. Now, this is actually good because a virus might try to disable your antivirus program. And so what they're doing is saying, hey, do you actually want this disabled? We're going to say yes. Now, they're trying to keep your business by offering you activating a license. They want to give you a licensed version of it, which has more goodies on it. But we're just going to, again, say uninstall Avast. And now it's going to go through the uninstall process. And usually this is fairly quick because it's a lot easier to delete something than it is to install it. It's sort of like making something. It's a lot easier to smash something with a hammer than it is to put it back together. So this process shouldn't take that long, although it seems to be taking a minute for whatever reason. So what this is going to do is this bar is going to fill up here, and once it's reached the end here, the virus program will be uninstalled and it will disappear from this control panel list. It's as simple as that. I won't keep you guys here and make you watch this thing uninstall, but once it does finish uninstalling, I'll turn this back on and we can go over it. All right, guys, you can see here it uninstalled the software and automatically took us to the website. And this is fairly typical if you uninstall something like Google Chrome or antivirus program. It wants to know more about why you uninstalled it. Okay, now it's letting me know I'm unprotected. So I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go down here. I'm not going to take their survey because I don't particularly care to. I'm just going to exit out of here. I'm going to close down here. Now what I have to do, and this is very typical, in order to finish your uninstallation, you need to restart your computer. Now if you're uninstalling a bunch of software, you can always click restart later and continue to uninstall stuff off your list and then just restart once. You don't have to restart every single time you uninstall a program. But in this case, I'm just going to click restart because it's the only thing that I'm going to uninstall, and we'll be good to go. However, restarting will end this screencast. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you with the class.